Hi, I'm Shannon Rollings with Shannon Rollings Real Estate with the exterior renovation trends we're seeing throughout the CSRA. With so many staying home during COVID, we are seeing a lot of renovation going on in the CSRA. And some of the most popular things we're seeing on the exterior of the home, you're probably not going to be that surprised about, but white paint on any type of home. Whether it's brick or siding, white is the color that is in style right now. It's timeless, it's beautiful, and it's very easy to touch up and to clean. We're also seeing gutters now that are being bronze, a darker color, not just your standard white, or copper. If you have to replace your windows, now might be the time to think about the bronze windows with the thinner grids and the bigger window panes. Those look amazing when you have the white exterior of the home. We're also seeing a lot of wood for shutters or front porch ceilings or even columns on the front. It just adds a little bit more warmth to the home. Statement garage doors are also very popular right now, especially when they take up so much real estate across the front of your home. No longer are they just the traditional standard white panel doors. Cozy sitting areas on the front porch or somewhere in the front yard, those are pretty charming as well, and we're seeing a lot of that where people are adding front porches, extending front porches, or even extending overhangs over the front porches. If you're thinking about making a big change to the exterior of your home, take a picture of your home, send it to me along with a photo idea of what you're thinking about doing, and I'll let you know if it's a good idea or not to do that for the value of your home. If we can give you any assistance in buying or selling, don't hesitate to reach out. We're on standby 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 8 p.m., ready to assist you.